Here's how to fix the Outlook login problem in just 2 minutes. The first thing that you need to do is go to the search bar and search services. Click on it and it should pull up this window right here. Once you're in this window, just scroll and look for Microsoft Account Sign-In Assistant. It's alphabetically in order, so it should be easy to find. Once you find it, just right-click it and press restart. What this does is it refreshes and optimizes the login services for Microsoft apps. Now the next step that you need to do is go here to the search bar again and search for installed apps. Once you find it, just click on it. Once this window opens, just go to the search bar where it says search apps and search for 365. What we're looking for here is Microsoft 365 Apps for Enterprise. Once you find it, just click on these 3 dots right here and click modify. It might give you an administrator prompt. Just click yes on it and it should be good. Once you do that, this window should pop up. What we're trying to do here is to run a repair on the Microsoft programs. There's 2 options here. I suggest that you do a quick repair first, see if that works, and if not, for a more deeper repair, go to online repair. As you can see, it's running a repair on all my apps. Once it's done, just close it and you should be able to log into your Outlook.